into a bit of trouble, gave it away to a man with too much power. You could call this initially. First, they'll smile, be warm, sympathetic, on your side, letting you know that they will fight for you. They will lull you into a false sense of security. And then, once your belly is exposed, they will gut you and everyone you know. And they will be swift about it. And by the time you realize you should be fighting back, well, you're already bleeding to death. Whose victory do you think they will fight for? Whose body do you think they will bury? You and I both know that he is not in charge. He is never in charge. Power is in charge. Power is in charge.
Hello, future angel investors. Thank you for coming back for another lesson. We truly appreciate the opportunity to share our journey to financial freedom and to help take the mystery out of this whole investing thing. If you are enjoying our content, feel free to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on your notifications so you'll know when our videos hit the airwaves. We're sharing this journey not only to grow, but also as a way to look back one day. Because as life moves on, we may forget certain lessons, and these videos will always be here as our point of reference. And Grandpa Haven thought it would be a good idea that maybe, just maybe, other future investors might need a little help along the way too. What do you think? Is that a good idea? Now, today's lesson. We are going to learn how to read multiple candlesticks on a live stock chart. Part 1 was our introduction to candlesticks and understanding their anatomy. This is Part 2, where we begin to see how one candlestick relates to another on a real chart. Now remember, we are long-term investors, not traders. So right now, candlesticks may not seem very important to what we're doing today, because we are consistently investing using dollar-cost averaging and fractional share purchases. But understanding candlesticks will benefit us in the future, because it will help bring clarity to why stock prices move, up and down. So, to recap, these are candlesticks. They get us a visual representation of price movement over a specific period of time. Each candlestick has 4 key components: the open, the close, the high, and the low. The body of the candle shows us the difference between the open and the close. A green candle means the price closed higher than it opened. So the open is at the bottom of the body, and the close is at the top. The price closed lower than it opened. So the open is at the top of the body, and the close is at the bottom. And those thin lines above and below the body, those are called wicks. They show us the full range of price movement, from the lowest price to the highest price. Now let's demonstrate this on an actual stock chart. Since we've been using Meta in our updates, we're going to continue using this ticker symbol. Up here in the top left corner, this is where we find the ticker symbol, so we know we're looking at the Meta stock chart. Over here to the right, we have the price line, which is displayed vertically. Down here at the bottom, we have the time frame, which tells us when these price movements are happening. And the star of the chart are the candlesticks, which form from left to right. Now each platform may look a little different, whether it's Thinkorswim, Webull, or Robinhood. They all display the same information. Today, we're using Yahoo Finance, which is free and available without a login. Just keep in mind, Yahoo Finance is not a broker. So why do we use candlesticks? Because whether you're a long-term investor or a trader, candlesticks allow us to quickly see price movement over time and help us better understand what the stock has already done. So let's take a look at a few candlesticks and apply what we know. Let's start with this one. This looks like an interesting candle. The candle is green, so we know to find the open at the bottom of the body. The opening price is $683.44. The highest price on this 5-minute candle is $685.04. The low is $683.22, and the close is $684.72. It's that easy. Okay, let's try another one. Wait a minute, this one looks a little different, but we're still going to apply the same logic. The candle is green, so the open price on this 5-minute candle is $684.10. The low is $683.98. Now let's take a look at the high. You guessed it. The high and the close are the same price, $684.45. We weren't trying to trick you. We just want to introduce you to the idea that candles will come in all shapes and sizes, because price action is not perfect. Now, it's your turn. Let's see how well you can point out the open, the high, the low, and the close on this candle right here. It's not as hard as you thought. So next time you see a stock chart, don't get overwhelmed. You're not looking at random lines. You're looking at a story. And that story can help guide you on your path to financial freedom. Now that you can read individual candles on the real stock chart, our next lesson will be how to read the entire chart as one complete story. And as a bonus, we're going to leave you with a live stock chart, moving minute by minute. Good luck. If you're enjoying our content, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on your notifications so you'll know when our next lesson hits the airwaves. Drop a comment below. Let us know if you'd like to see more content like this, or if there's a favorite ticker symbol you'd like us to feature. On behalf of the Stock Market Sisters and Grandpa Haven, thank you all for your support. Remember, we don't work for money. We make money work for us. We love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. We'll see you in the next lesson.